Do you think you have low testosterone level? Well, in today's video, we're tackling an important subject, testosterone. But first, we will see what exactly is testosterone. Testosterone is a crucial hormone, primarily produced in the testicles for men and in smaller amounts in the ovaries for women. It plays a vital role in various bodily functions, including the development of male characteristics and the maintenance of overall health. Now, why is testosterone important? Well, it's responsible for regulating energy levels, maintaining muscle mass, influencing mood, and even impacting libido. In short, it's a key player in the game of men's health. Now let's look at the signs that you have low testosterone level. Number 1, low sex drive. Low sex drive, scientifically known as hypoactive sexual desire disorder, occurs when testosterone, the key driver of sexual desire, falls below optimal levels. Testosterone not only influences the brain's receptors, but also stimulates nitric oxide production, crucial for blood flow to sexual organs. When insufficient, it disrupts this intricate process, impacting arousal, libido, and overall sexual satisfaction. Additionally, low testosterone can lead to imbalances in other hormones like estrogen, further complicating the intricate dance of sexual function. Number 2, low energy levels. Persistent fatigue linked to low testosterone extends beyond a mere lack of energy. Testosterone, a steroid hormone, acts as a regulator in the synthesis of adenosine triphosphate, the primary energy currency of cells. When testosterone levels are suboptimal, the efficiency of ATP production diminishes, leading to an ongoing state of lethargy. This energy deficit not only affects physical stamina, but also contributes to mental fatigue, affecting focus, productivity, and overall quality of life. Furthermore, the interconnected relationship between testosterone and energy extends to metabolic processes, where disruptions can influence weight management and overall metabolic health. Number 3, difficulty concentrating. Cognitive functions dependence on testosterone involves intricate mechanisms. Testosterone enhances the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein crucial for neuron growth and maintenance. Inadequate testosterone can disrupt this process, contributing to difficulties in concentration, memory retention, and overall cognitive performance. Moreover, alterations in neurotransmitter levels, including serotonin and dopamine, further amplify cognitive challenges, impacting daily tasks and mental acuity. Lifestyle factors, such as regular exercise and a balanced diet rich in nutrients supporting brain health, can play a significant role in not only addressing testosterone-related concentration issues, but also fostering overall cognitive resilience and well-being. Number 4, loss of muscle mass. The relationship between testosterone and muscle health involves a symphony of molecular processes. Testosterone enhances protein synthesis by activating satellite cells and increasing the production of insulin-like growth factor 1. When testosterone levels are insufficient, this orchestration falters, hindering muscle growth and maintenance. Beyond the aesthetic concern, the loss of muscle mass can compromise physical strength, resilience, and metabolic efficiency. Number 5, mood changes. Testosterone's impact on mood is profound, influencing neurotransmitter systems and neuroplasticity. Low testosterone levels can lead to imbalances in serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters crucial for mood regulation. Additionally, alterations in gamma-aminobutyric acid receptors may contribute to heightened irritability, mood swings, and symptoms akin to depression. Addressing hormonal imbalances becomes imperative not only for emotional stability, but also for preventing long-term mental health challenges. Number 6, hair loss. Testosterone's derivative, dihydrotestosterone, plays a central role in androgenetic alopecia, commonly known as male pattern baldness. It interacts with genetically susceptible hair follicles, causing them to miniaturize and ultimately cease producing viable hair. Understanding this intricate process involves considering genetic predispositions, hormonal fluctuations, and the complex interplay between testosterone and DHT. Additionally, certain lifestyle factors like smoking, stress, and poor scalp health can contribute to the progression of hair loss. Exploring preventative measures, such as incorporating scalp care routines, managing stress levels, and considering medical interventions like topical treatments, can be crucial in both preventing and managing testosterone-related hair loss. And finally, number 7, poor sleep. Testosterone's involvement in sleep regulation is multifaceted, encompassing circadian rhythms, melatonin production, and modulation of sleep architecture. Insufficient testosterone can disrupt these processes, leading to difficulties falling asleep, fragmented sleep patterns, and reduced rapid eye movement sleep. Addressing hormonal imbalances becomes pivotal for restoring not just the quantity, but also the quality of sleep, influencing overall health and well-being. And there you have it, 7 signs that you have low testosterone level. If you found this video to be informative, please make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.